Okay, in the last video we made a very basic question with a single response. So we used the print and the input. You don't really need to use the print function with the input because the input will make it appear on screen anyway. So what we're going to do is take away the print and we're going to put it into a variable to be stored. So question 1 is equal to, what do you think of Gandalf's beard, and the option to pop an answer in. So if I just test that now, it should appear on the screen. So what do you think of Gandalf's beard? Brilliant. So we don't need to use the print function for that. As long as it's got input in, you're okay. So what we're going to do then is we're now going to make a second variable, which is response, and this is the computer's response. The response will be equal to, and we'll put so you said, and now what we're going to do is retrieve whatever the user entered as their answer into the response. So we're going to put plus whatever they said in question 1 plus I like your answer. Okay, and close brackets. So there we are. Question 1, what's in Gandalf's beard? Lets the user enter their answer. The computer then responds by saying so you said, retrieves what you typed, and plus I like your answer. Okay, so if we run that, you're probably going to find that Gandalf's beard comes up. Great, it is cool. Okay, then we get a problem. Question 1 is not defined. Okay, so the reason for that is I have just made a very, very small error there, and you can see if one's got a capital Q and the other's got a lower q, it's not going to work. So do double check this before you go. And if I just save that and run it again, do you like Gandalf's beard? Yes. Right, it works, but it doesn't print the response off, and that is simply because we've asked it to store all this data in response, but we haven't actually asked it to print. So on the final line we're going to say, can you print response off? Okay, so let's try that again. Run module. What do you think of Gandalf's beard? It is cool. You said it was cool. I like your answer. Okay, so that's great. As you can see, we've got a bit of an issue there where it's not really spaced out, but we know we can just put spaces, or you can do it the other way like I showed you earlier on. So if we just save that, let's run that now, run module. Let's test that. What do you think of Gandalf's beard? It is funny. You said it's funny. I like your answer. Brilliant. You've created your first program. Well done.